kitchen. Welcome to Dicing with Dana. If you read that title, you know what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be making a seafood boil with crab, shrimp, potatoes, and then I'm going to make some Red Lobster cheddar bay biscuits with butter sauce. Now that y'all know what I'm going to be making, let's get into the video. Okay, so these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I got my butter, I got my cheddar for the biscuits, I got my biscuit mix, I got the crab, the potato, the shrimp, and all the seasonings that I'm going to be using. You just want to make sure that everything is cleaned off of them. So I just start by soaking them. And I did this with my shrimp too. So I will start by peeling and deveining my shrimp. My shrimp, it looked like it's already deveined, so I'm just probably going to have to peel it. While you're deveining your shrimp, you can start boiling the water that you're going to put your seafood in and your potatoes and all of that in. Now that my shrimp is deveined and cleaned, I'm gonna start making the mix for my Red Lobster cheddar biscuits. So making this, you just basically follow the directions on the box. Now that the water is boiling, now I'm gonna add my seafood and my potatoes. Now I'm gonna give it a big stir. And now I'm gonna add to the water some seasonings. Now I'm going to give it a stir. And now I'm going to let it boil for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to come back and check on it. While we're letting that boil, I'm going to show you guys how to make the butter sauce. So I'm putting the stove on medium. I have 1 stick of butter in here. And I'm going to let that melt down. And while that's melting down, I'm going to add my other seasonings. Here are all the seasonings that I'm going to be adding to my butter sauce. Black pepper, crushed red pepper, paprika, chili powder, onion powder, Old Bay seasoning, parsley flake, complete seasoning, Lawry seasoning, salt, and garlic powder. I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of each to the butter sauce. Now I'm going to give my butter sauce a stir. And once your butter starts to melt, turn it down to low. Cooking your butter sauce, make sure that you taste it after so you can see if you need to make adjustments. Maybe you don't taste something as strongly as you would like. The crab has been boiling. I checked on it around 5 minutes ago, so it's been boiling for about 15 minutes now. So the crab looks done, so I'm going to take it out and put it into my foil. And now I'm going to take my shrimp out. Now once you get your crab and your shrimp out, and whatever you else have, you can if you have corn, you let your corn and your potatoes boil a little bit longer because they take a little bit longer to cook. Alright guys, my potatoes are soft, it looks like now, so now I'm going to take my potatoes out the water. Now that the boil is done, I'm going to pour only half of the butter sauce and then the other half is for you to dip. Now I got my seafood boil and my cheddar, the Red Lobster cheddar bay biscuits. That concludes this video. You guys seen my my biscuits and you've seen my seafood boil on how to make it. I know it's not a lot, but it's only because it's only one person that's gonna be eating it, so that is kind of a lot for one person. But if you want to make more, you just double the ingredients on what I just showed you. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want to see more cooking videos with me, please comment down below on what you guys think I should cook next. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!